Hey friends, and welcome. I actually got this, I feel like crazy early, even though it's literally almost the end of the month. So fun fact, when you guys are seeing this, I've already gone live with Ipsy over on Facebook, and my ring light decided she didn't want to work today. So I am rigging things up, so hopefully, fingers crossed, the live went well and I'm bright enough in here. I don't know, I'm really nervous. It broke, and I hurried up and tried to order another one on Amazon, and it said it's going to be here today between 3:45 and 7:45. My live's at 3:30. I'm like, great, okay. Anyways, today we're going to be unboxing our Boxycharm by Ipsy for September and our Ipsy Glam Bag for September. Ipsy did send this over in PR, so shout out and thank you to Ipsy for sending this over my way. I do have an affiliate link with Ipsy if you guys are interested in signing up with them. And this is going to be a first impression. I have not opened neither one of them, and it's funny because it just arrived today and I go live with them in like 2.5 hours. So I thought, well, I'll just go ahead and I'll film it. Hopefully I can edit it, get it up to you guys later. So hopefully you guys made it to the live and all went well. Future Rhonda, fingers are crossed for you. Or past Rhonda, whatever, I don't know. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't nervous. I'm pretty nervous, but it'll be fun. Hopefully a lot of you guys were able to make it over to their Facebook. So anyways, let's go ahead and start off with the Ipsy Glam Bag. Now this is a monthly subscription where you do get to make a pick, one item out of the 5. And these are typically deluxe size samples. They always come in a really adorable little bag. This is cute. I like this. It's not to me very fall-y, but I would say it's very, like, I don't know, Olympic, maybe? Enter your soft air. Well, okay, with that being said, it is very soft in color. I really like it. Kind of reminds me more of spring. We do have a little charm doohickey here. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump in. Now, I do believe picks have already, picks were already, like, I think the 21st or something for the glam bag. The first item I see here is the Innisfree Cherry Blossom Glow Jelly Cream. If you guys are curious why I don't have makeup on, that's why. Because I'm going to be focusing on, like, doing my makeup on this live, and I don't want to strip my skin and wash it again. AKA, I'm just really lazy. So, anyways, this is actually a nice size, deluxe size sample. So you're definitely going to know if you like it by the end of this. So it just says it's a facial cream. It's going to brighten and glow. Next in here, we've got the Toy Factory Click Stick. It's a simple, intense color formulated by AI to create bold shades. What? We have to open this. Glide the Click Stick over the eyelids for an instant color pop. Blend with fingertips. Oh, it's in the shade Fantasy, by the way, which I do like that it's more of like a nude shade or neutral shade. Oh, okay. So it's just like a colored pencil, and it's literally not even that dark. It's kind of like very much waxy. I think more or less you need to rub that waxy part off. But here's the actual shade. You can see it's more of like an icy color, which is honestly kind of pretty. It does not move. It is like stuck there. So it builds up fairly nicely, but it does feel more on the waxy side. Okay, so in my head I was expecting more of like a gel-like type of consistency. It's not. We can definitely play around with it a little bit more on the eyes. For me personally, I don't want to tug on my eyes too much or under my eyes too much because I am at a mature age. I don't know about how I feel about that, because if it's a lot of tugging, it does dry down quick, whatever is going on here. Next, we have the Saturday Skin Use a Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. So once again, well, this one's only about half full, but enough when it comes to an eye cream, you don't really need that much of it, so I think it's okay. I'm getting so nervous over maybe I can figure something out because I don't know if this is going to be bright enough. Let me see if I can move this. Hopefully that brightened it up just a smidgen. I don't know. I'm using natural light too, so Anyways, okay, what did I just do? The last item in here is by Pixi. It's the I Define Waterline Water Resistant Inner Rim Liner in Twi-Line Black. I really love the Pixi liners, and I like that this one is specifically for the waterline, because in the past I love using them, but I would have them bleed down, and I love to use a black liner. Oh yeah, that is just so beautiful, so soft, like boop boop, barely do it. But I like to just kind of tight line and everything, especially when I have mascara on, to really help make everything look a little bit more cohesive, and you don't have like lashes and then your lid. So anyways, that is everything in here. Is that everything? There's one more item. I didn't see it in the bag, guys. It is, ooh, it's a really pretty brush. I would say this is probably from the SL Glam, just because it's got those little, the pretty little thingies right here. I'm so nervous, guys. Oh my goodness. I like that for highlight though. That literally reminds me of the highlight brush that I use from Bling's Brushes. Like, so I like that. We're gonna put that right in there. We'll see. Maybe I'll use it today. I don't know. Okay, so that's everything for that box. Actually, I want to put the Pixi over here because I will be using that. Okay, let's jump in to our Boxycharm by Ipsy box. Now, this is like $30, and then they have tax and shipping and all of that. So I want to say it comes to close to $35. They are 5 full-size items, and then starting on the 1st of September is when you get to make your picks. So we are seeing like sneaky peekies of like Elemis and Fenty Beauty as some of the potential spoilers, potential picks and everything. So jumping right in, here's what it looks like. We do have a Boxycharm Viral Trends, guaranteed to stop and scroll. You won't elfing believe the new drops. Okay, so I guess Elf maybe has some new things coming. I don't know. Ooh, okay. I'm oohing and ahhing because I did see this sent to my email, and I was so excited. This is by Alamar Cosmetics, and I love her formula. I haven't used it in a hot minute, but we've seen like her bronzers, her lips, glosses, her I think liners, bronzers, and everything. I love the new packaging. How cute and adorable is that? So it looks like we've got blush and highlighter in here. Very cute. Ooh, this is fun. Very fun. Is this a cream? We've got a nude base, a bright pop, and a glitter transformer, it says. So it's definitely a nude base. So I'm wondering, let's read. It's very much nude. Oh, okay. I see why. Because I have the Fair to Light cheek palette. So it's going to come in, I would guess, fair, medium, and dark. So I was like, why is that so light? So as you guys can see on me, maybe you can't, but on me it is very fair. And then this is a powder, very fun, pretty blusher color. I do like that. And then for highlighter, oh, look at that. Let me show you guys the blush. So there are the shades there. Now keep in mind, this was set in PR, so it wasn't like I got to choose. I mean, that blush is really pretty though. And then the highlighter, ooh, it's like an iridescent-y kind of color. That's honestly, that's so pretty. I mean, I feel like this, it dries down pretty nicely. So, I mean, I almost feel like you could just use it as a base on my eyes, and that's probably what I will do when I play around with it. If not, I'll just pass it along to Haley. Alright, next in here, what is this? We've got the Pinky Bee Beauty Had Me at Illuminating Primer. I love it. I love the packaging because it's so pink. Oh. Do you guys see it? Let's see what happens here. I've got stuff all over my fingers. Excuse my thumb. Oh, it's like a lotion-y. No scent. Okay, so it's literally right here. It's got to dry down, but it definitely has that nice sheen and illumination to it. Let's put it on my other hand. I'm kind of curious about this now. I want to rub it completely in and give it a fair chance. It kind of just feels like a lotion, nothing like over the top. But you can see it definitely gives my skin like a really pretty sheen. It's not tacky or sticky, that's nice. Next in here we've got the Triple Sec 3-in-1 Finishing Spray by Drybar. I really love getting hair care products in here. I may be one of the few, but I do like, especially getting Drybar. I really like their formula. Next in here we have the Glass Skin by Olivia Uma. It's a cleansing foam. I definitely get a lot of skincare. I tell you what. I don't remember ever trying this brand before, but these again are all items that you could potentially see in your Boxycharm by Ipsy as a pick or what have you. And then last, everybody talks wonderful about the Kate Berkey. I need to try more of their products. This is the Rose Hip Intense Recovering Eye Serum. I feel like this could definitely, I could benefit from this. So I definitely should try this out. You know, let's keep it 100. You guys know how I am. Although I will say I've heard really good things about this brand. I know I love Drybar, and you know, I love Alamar Cosmetics. I really do wish there was a little bit more makeup in here. I'll be using everything. Definitely curious about this. Part of me wants to try it in today's video live, but at the same time I'm like, you should probably stick with what you know. Let's not do that. Plus I'm going to be using the Glow Wish formula. I did a poll over on Instagram, which you guys again will have already have seen this. But anyways, overall, I like what I'm seeing brand-wise. I really wish it was just a little bit more makeup. I like that I saw, you know, the Drybar. I like the makeup. Like I said, the Kate Berkey, y'all are always telling me how great it is. I've not tried the eye serum, but I'm definitely interested in trying it because my eyes, I've been getting up at like 5 a.m. every day, guys. So my under eyes are like, girl, you need to stop that. And I'm like, I know. But at the same time, I'm kind of liking it, except today I didn't wake up until like 5:54. Anyways, let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget, September 1st is when you can start making your picks for your Boxycharm by Ipsy. And for me personally, I'm most excited about Alamar Cosmetics. I love that they have the blushers in here, the highlighter in here. She also has a little mirror in this little case as well, so it's going to be travel friendly. So for me, the standout product this month in the Boxycharm is a makeup product, once again, which is Alamar Cosmetics, woman-owned brand. So shout out to her. And if you guys do want to sign up and get in there and be able to make your picks and everything, I will have an affiliate link down below. And thank you guys so much if you do sign up using my Ipsy link. I greatly appreciate it. I'm going to hop off and maybe try and dig out an old ring light because I don't think this is going to be enough light for the live today. Okay, I'm hopping off for now. Make sure to follow me on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs for Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there. On Sunday, I'm going to have an Old Navy haul going up. They're having a big Labor Day sale. So stay tuned for that tonight. Tonight's Thursday. Yeah, tonight I'm going to have a Temu try-on haul over there. Hotmess in the house. I actually will have a Temu haul coming up and a Dollar Tree haul coming up over there. Lots of things going on. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'm rambling because I'm nervous AF, and I hope that you guys made it over to the Ipsy Live. If not, could you go watch the replay? Maybe Ipsy will want me to come back and do some more of them, and then I can take things that you guys tell me you want to see at Ipsy and Boxycharm and make things happen. Wouldn't that be fun? Let's put it in the universe. Okay, friends, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!
From miles away, I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You